This is Monster Truck Classics, and this is BIGFOOT, the flame version from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line. And this one was from 2021. The copyright date is right around here, up above my thumb right there. So I'm going by that date that this version of BIGFOOT came out. Up top, the name BIGFOOT, truck type, pickup strength, car crushing shocks. The crash attack is the original stomp, and it came with a connect and crash car. I had one in the box, and then this one, of course, I'm gonna unbox it. I got this as a Christmas present. Always enjoy the detailing up here of the truck. So let's go ahead and unbox the flame BIGFOOT. Starting off, we get a blue connect and crash car. Onto the monster truck itself, we get the silver wheels and just regular tires, black chassis. And let's go ahead and check out BIGFOOT as we get the flames going. There's Summit Racing Equipment, Firestone. Back here looks like Mac Tools. Back here we have monster trucks. I don't think they even have the Hot Wheels logo up above the monster trucks. No, they don't. There's the Hot Wheels logo. They have right there. They couldn't put it all together. But there is that. We turn it around. More flames in the front right there. We get the headlights up top on the hood. We get a flame job going right there. Turning it around to the other side. And then on the back, it says Hot Wheels logo and BIGFOOT Racing. And then there's some more flames. And nothing on top on the roof. So it's a darker bluish color. So this ends the unboxing of the Flames BIGFOOT. And if you got the BIGFOOT Legacy package at Target, I believe there was 5 trucks. It was in there as well. So this ends the unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in.